Hi everyone, my name is Taylor. I'm the teen librarian at the Wapak Area Public Library. And see, here's the thing. I was gonna show you guys how to make DIY lava lamps, but when I first tried to do it, I did it wrong and it looked really gross. And you might have seen that in my clips from earlier, but now I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna do it a little bit differently. So this time I added a little bit more water and I'm gonna mix in my food coloring beforehand rather than trying to mix it in after I put the oil in, because that was a mistake. So I'm going to put in about, 3 or 4 drops of food coloring because I like to have very colorful lava lamps. And I'm going to mix it together and look how pretty that is. I love it. That is awesome. All right. Now I'm going to add in my vegetable oil. And I'm going to add in at least 1 to 1. It says 2 to 1. Oh, look at that. It's already being like bubbly and stuff. That's cool. So what you're supposed to be able to do is you put in this Alka-Seltzer tablet. You're supposed to break it up, and then it's going to fizz. The water is going to release gas up, and it's going to create like bubbles. So with that in mind, I'm going to drop in my Alka-Seltzer. Oh, look at that. Boom. This works so much better than I did yesterday. So what I did differently, I mixed my food coloring first. I didn't mix the oil in the water. And look at that. You've got your very own lava lamp. I hope you enjoy. And if you make one, which I hope you do, I hope you get a chance to do this, because all you need is a container, vegetable oil, water, food coloring, and, Alka-Seltzer tablets. Everything you can get at like Walgreens or just down the street. Go ahead and send me a picture. Especially, let me know in the comments below what colors yours was if you made one. And I can't wait to see yours. Have a nice day. Bye.